So here we are, miniature ice storm. My tree's done broke. Grass is literally frozen. Everything is just frozen. It's been raining a lot. Man, this trees are iced. Oh no. This is my tree. Done made a dadgum mess. Wow. This branch is all the way down. Sounds like it's another one gonna break. Ice is heavy. Power lines sagging. We had an ice storm like this back, people may remember, in Kentucky in 2009. It was a lot worse than this. A lot worse. This is still pretty good. We're turning these semi-trucks into open-wheel race cars, race trucks. Look at this. So, at at Four Kings. Oh. Ooh, she is mad. We are notorious for pissing off semi-trucks around here. 3406 Cat. So we got this trailer in here, gonna make a damn pond for us. Can't get into it. Loaded down full of premium Kentucky sailboat fuel. But we do got icicles. Installed these new badass visors on these trucks too. By God. Badass.